architecture in sacred temples and churches and mosques. It's a very universal symbol. And you will see it's all four bigger ones. And you can see the yeah. So east, west, north, south. Yeah. And then you've got the pineapple shape. And it's the spirals, like the helix, like DNA like that. Okay. I'm not as good as there are so many women that are really, really
Something
good.
special for you here.
What is
That's only
special?
I'm asking. What's your good name?
I'm Grace.
Okay. How many times already you participated, or this is
Second.
first time or second time?
Second time.
Second time. So what's the meaning of your column?
Okay, I'll tell you again.
Yeah.
The center is holding the Vaisika Pisces 4 times,
Okay.
multiplied again by 4 times. The Vaisika Pisces is a very ancient symbol and mathematical, geometrical symbol to construct temples, churches, all those sacred abodes for the divine. And it is held by another 4 big sacred chambers which are going into the directions of the 4 big directions of space: north, west, south, east. So to enter the sacred abode, the centerpiece, you have to pass through these. And only if you're very intelligent can you pass through and come to the center and find the divine. Then in the other 4 directions, in between, you will see it's like almost a pineapple shape. But this pineapple shape is actually the spiral. Yeah? Like in a pineapple, you can see the beautiful spiral. And this spiral is 2 sides. It's going up and down at the same time, simultaneously.
Down and up also.
Down and up at the same time. This is very interesting because this looks like our DNA, the helix, the DNA helix. So scientifically, this column is showing that through a passage of knowledge of our DNA, can we find the divine in us.
Super.
Yeah?
And you have taken any training from others, or only you?
From all the women.
For all the women.
From
How many
all the women.
months you are taking
Years.
training? Years.
Yes.
So you are from abroad approximately. You are.
I
living
grew up
Chennai
in
only.
Tamil Nadu.
In Tamil Nadu only. From which
So
year?
I was 9 months old. I was
Super.
from
So
1968.
your forefathers from abroad.
My mother is from Holland.
Okay,
And my father is from Switzerland.
Super. Say something about our culture.
Tamil culture?
Yes.
Okay. Something about the Tamil women. Tamil women are gatekeepers of Kolam. And Kolam is a language. It's a very ancient language. They are gatekeepers, meaning some only know what actually the meaning is inside the Kolam. Many have forgotten. But they are very good gatekeepers because they pass on the knowledge to each other, and we should keep on passing on this knowledge because this knowledge is there to remind us of the divine and remind us of that we are all connected to this earth planet in many different ways.
Yes.
But we all come back to the same DNA force, and we should all remember this.
Okay.
Because then we will start to love each other better.
Yes.
And not make all this disturbance of war and
Another thing
hate.
is also this is some physical fitness. For fitness also it will be used.
Oh
and,
yes.
this is exercise.
Yes.
From
Because
itself.
it is through the body that you make this.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to stand like this. And your hand are like a pendulum. You know, you have to make these movements. So the movement has to come from your heart.
Yes.
And it is the mind passing through the heart, going through the arm. Only then can you make a nice kolam.
So for all things, this is exercise also. So that is separate thing. Yes.
Yes.
And other
The
things
exercise is to become quiet inside.
in kolam
Like
or
meditation.
other in either kolam or anything, any culture you have interest. Tamil culture, dance like that.
Yeah, Bharatanatyam, Odissi, all food, everything.
You know that.
Yeah?
You trained in that.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Welcome.